my channel. So in today's video we're gonna be doing a kind of like empty apartment tour, kind of ish. Yeah, might as well. I'm by myself though, so I'm gonna be just talking. You guys will just be seeing it. You won't be seeing me. I don't think. We'll see how it plays out. But yeah, I'm about to get my security installed. So I was like, why not do the vlog in one? I'll probably end up entering. I probably I'm gonna end up entering like my first initial reaction to my apartment, because I did do that when I first got here. I did record something, but I don't think I liked it because I ended up vlogging with my damn phone, so it's like no stabilization, no none of that. So it was like, yeah, not that good quality. But yeah, I'm sitting in my apartment complex right now. I am waiting for he's gonna come through the gate. He should be here shortly. Honestly, he just came through. But yeah, he's about to pull up so we can get the security, so I can have, like, you know, where people can be seeing they can see their house from like their phone and stuff like that. That's what I'm about to get. And then there's gonna be cameras in there, because ain't nobody finna pull up on me. Hello?
I'm sorry, which one is yours? Which building is yours?
And then just come straight down, and I'm in the car. I'm in a white Mercedes.
Okay.
Okay.
So you should see me coming down. You can't miss.
Okay.
All right. Sure.
But yeah, so he gotta be here to install my stuff. I'm excited because motherfuckers think they finna roll up on me. No, you ain't. And I got my little guard dog. Yeah, right. My little baby Tipsy. But yeah, so let's just get right into it. Okay. So you guys, this is the entrance to my apartment. Put my stuff down. Alright, so yeah, you walk in, okay, and then I have this little storage area for like coats and stuff. I got the thermostat, and as soon as you go to the first left, it's the first bedroom. And then it has the bathroom, and wait, there's a light at. This bathroom connects, oh god. So I forgot, this bathroom connects to the guest bathroom, guest room. I like that because people can still have their privacy, and then the guests can still use this bathroom without, you know, no issues. So yeah, there's that. And then there's the closet. I love this closet. Look how big the closet is, y'all. Like, get into it. And I got these little shelves right here. Loving the closet. That's it. And then this is it. Got a big window right here. Yeah, that's it for that. And then my kitchen right here. I like this granite tables, or granite top. I love that. Granite. I like that they got a dual sink. It's pretty deep. And we got this. I like that too. And then we got the little, and I like that the cabinets are white too. I love that. And then my refrigerator, then my washer and dryer area, like the pantry area. Got the pantry. Hold on. Pantry, washer and dryer. More space up here for like stuff that you want to put your washer and dryer stuff. Dishwasher, a lot of cabinet space. Love that. Love that. I love that this is black. Honestly, loving that. And then this would be like my home office, so I can put my Mac here. You know what I'm saying? I got a little hole right here so I can put my thing in it, and I can put like pictures up here. Basically, yeah, I'm on the website. This is like the home office. And then this is gonna be the dining room area. I already picked out my table. I'm like super excited. Like, yeah, so this is my dining room area, big area right here. And then this is the living room, and I'm gonna put the TV on this side. So my couch is gonna be a section right here. And this is considered the sunroom. So this is like a little bonus area, but yeah, this is considered the sunroom, and this is gonna be my little, more than likely probably be my studio area. I think I'm gonna end up cutting this part off and then typing like this the studio area, if I don't make my second bedroom the studio room. And then we have the master bedroom, and the master bedroom has access to the patio, which is out here. Okay, this is the patio. Got some good ass light. Hey bitches. And then I also have this door from the living room that can come to the, or the sunroom that can go to the patio. So loving that. Loving the good lighting. Yeah. And then also this, also my closet in here. I mean, this is like a little area I can put like towels or whatever I want to put in here. Extra storage space. I like that. And then this closet is the master closet. So, yep. It's big, nice walk-in closet. Put some shoes up there, hang some stuff up. And then the master bathroom, which is similar to the other one. A lot of space. And this is the shower. I like it. I mean, they could have made the master bathroom a little more fancy. Like, gave me some, like, a shower and a bath. But, you know, I ain't complaining. I'm happy with my apartment. It's my first apartment. So I think I did pretty good. So, I think I did pretty good. So, yeah, you guys. You can come in. So, yeah, you guys. This is my new... Oh, shit. This is my new crib. So my technician just came and I got my smart home and I'm finna arm it to leave in a second. I'm so excited. So like when I open the door. Front door. Here. Ain't nobody speaking in this motherfucker. Ain't nobody getting in this motherfucker. Let's see if I do the back door. Let me see. Yeah. Come in here if you want to. I'ma know. Let's see if it do the window. Do it, do it. Oh, no, I didn't get the one on the window. Did I get the one on the window? Y'all hear that? Period. Ain't nobody coming in. Right window, left window. Try it if you want to, hold me. Alright, let me close this up. Make sure my bedroom stuff is closed. Somebody looking in here. Alright. Did I leave anything in here? Nope. Lit, y'all. I'm in this bitch. Then to get eyes on, hair on fleek the fuck. And then I got me a camera that can see all my points of entry. So I'm be looking at my phone, trying to see who in this motherfucker. Put my pen in. Arming away. Exit now. Period. Now I'm about to wait for me to eat. I'm starving. All right, guys, so we're gonna finish up this house tour, or unfurnished apartment tour. I did go ahead and get my, I thought it was a comforter, but it's not. It's like a duvet, whatever it's called. And it's not what I thought it was. But yeah, I went ahead and did that. So I told you my exit color is gonna be pink. I got some pink pillows, and I got some gray pillows for my couch. I got my couch. My couch is gonna be here this weekend, which is exciting. And then I got my bar stools. I don't know what the fuck I did, but yeah, I don't know if it came like that. I don't remember it, but I got my bar stools. Might have to order another one because I didn't put a hole in it. But yeah, got my bar stools. Still waiting on my table. It gets ready December 5th. And I went to the what is not dollar store? I went to the Goodwill. I found this for $1. I just gotta buy like a little white cover on it. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna get that. It's only $1. But you know, yeah, it just happened to match my stuff. But yeah, super duper excited about that. So look how my little bedroom look. And I got that this little light up here. Oh, I'm gonna go back in here and show y'all. This seats galore. I can make it say anything. I just had to put that up there for right now. But you can plug it up and it basically has like LED lights. It's this thing right here. LED. And then I got these lights for around my TV and around my bed. Yeah. And I can control the lights and stuff from my phone. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, I need to get a rug, but all my big pieces are pretty much bought. I got my bed, I got my table, I got my bar stools, I got my couch. I mean, everything else is just like little accessories. But yeah, so in this video, I didn't really talk to y'all about what I was doing. So as you can see, or maybe you didn't see, your girl got her braces back, but I do not like them. I don't like the placement that they put them at because they're a little too high for me. But because I went in there with, I had a vision for what I wanted. So my teeth are buck in the front, and a lot of people said they couldn't see it, but my teeth really kind of look like, it kind of like, yeah. So I got braces put back on. I got my bottom ones soon. You see the bottom one's getting crooked again. But yeah. So, and I cut my hair into a bob, and you guys will see that in the vlog. But yeah, it's in a ponytail right now, and I dyed it a light brown color, a sandy brown. I don't know. Dyed it brown. I got it cut in a bob. It looks a mess right now. I'm gonna redo it later. But pretty much I just wanted to wrap it up, because I know you're probably like, what the fuck just happened? Because in the beginning of this vlog, your hair was this way, then it was this way, then it was that and that. So yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching my empty apartment tour. See you guys in the vlog, and look forward to new and great content, because your girl is fucking home. Your bitch got a fucking apartment. Your bitch is glowing the fuck up. I just realized my keys and shit match my house too, period. 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 Bye, guys.